How about a mailbox? We could put a mailbox right down here by the edge of the road or somewhere. Simply type pen up set XY. And why don't you go -15? And why don't you go down 20 so that it's below you? And put your pen down. And then a mailbox would simply be a rec. Let's go 15 high and let's go 5 wide. And then you just need to go back to your rec, which I would do using set XY again. I still want to go 15 to the left, but instead of down 20, remember how we went 15 high? Now I only want to go down 5. And then I want my mailbox to hang off this way, so I'm actually going to go -20. Watch how this turns out. See how I'm a little bit left, but I'm lined right up? And then I'm going to make my rectangle for the top. It's going to be 5 high, and I'm going to make it 15 wide. Now I'm going to make it 10 wide. And when I do hide turtle so you can see better, I have got a cute little mailbox that I could also use my set flood color to fill in and stuff. Just so you know what you can make.